Hi, welcome my friend. Winnie's indoor security camera, baby monitor, Wi-Fi smart home camera with app 1080p, high definition with motion detection, two-way audio, 2.4 GHz night vision, multi-installation cam for pet, baby, works with Alexa. Winnie's indoor security camera would like to create a safe, happy, and smart home for you. Let it be the witness of your wonderful moments. Human pet motion detection. With all function, Winnie's indoor camera can support motion detection and would record 15 seconds video automatically when detecting motion. Real-time alerts. You can set the information push function when an abnormal action is detected. The electronic device bound to the camera will push the alarm information for you immediately. To get the products, you can click on the link below the video. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification button. Thank you.